Alright guys, so as you can see in most of my videos, I do use Anastasia Beverly Hills a lot. So we're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. If it's blurry, I think, yeah, you guys can see it actually. So yeah, basically looks like this. Sorry if I look up a lot, my monitor is on top of the little camera. So yeah, it looks like this. We're gonna go ahead and use that, and then we're gonna grab a straight brush. Hope you guys can see it. Don't worry if it looks too thick. We're just making the outer line. Okay. Sorry, I'm not talking. I want to concentrate. Alright, so we're just going to do a line like this. Okay, and then now we're not going to connect it yet. We're just going to do a straight line like this coming from here. Like that. Okay, so basically it's two lines. Don't worry about this little gap right here. That's not the issue right now. So we're going to go ahead and do the other line. So hopefully you guys can see everything I'm doing. Same thing, gonna start at that way right there. I'm gonna stop right here. Okay, again, don't worry about the curve. And then this one's a little easier. This one's a little harder because as you can see, I do not grow hair right here. So that's why it's a little hard to, But yeah, this one's a little easy because they do grow like that. So we're just gonna follow the hairline right here. Do it as slowly as possible. And it's gonna connect to that one. Alright. Don't worry if it looks a little, messed up. We are gonna conceal the eyebrow, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so then with the little extra product, I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. Alright. If you need to straighten up a little bit, go ahead and do it. And just curve it. You see that? And then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I'm sorry, on the bottom side. Go ahead and curve it like so. And there you have it. So that is the outer line of the eyebrow, and now we're gonna go ahead and fill it in. Alright guys, so I did zoom you guys out of the close-up of my eye where you guys could see all the pores and ugliness. So I do want to tell you guys ahead of time, I'm pretty sure you guys have a palette in your collection where you could use a color for your eyebrow. Just be careful to choose the right one. I did started using a black and it did not look right. So I do use the James Charles palette. So as you can see, there's a color in here that's called, well, it doesn't have the names, but it's called Ebony. I remember that. So if you can zoom in right here, it's the one closest to the black. It does not zoom in, sorry you guys. Maybe like this one right here. Oops. This one right here, that's the color that we're gonna use to set our eyebrow. It looks like a really light brown, but in the eyebrow it actually does look good. So we're gonna go ahead and use that color. Okay, it looks like this. It's a flat brush, but it's just a little fluffy than the other one. We're gonna go ahead and use this one, and we're gonna dip some ebony on it, which is the color that I show you guys. It's like a dark brown. We're gonna go ahead and dip on it. We're gonna go ahead and set it. I love doing this. It makes it really dark. Some people do apply the concealer on the eye. I do not do that. I like to be a little careful with that. So we're gonna go ahead and start concealing the eyebrows, and we're gonna start with the bottom. Let me get a little closer. You guys can see. Hopefully, yeah. We're gonna go ahead and conceal it. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I went and off camera did the other eyebrow, and yeah, this is how it ended up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys liked how I did my eyebrows. So this will be the end of this video. I think I say that a lot of times, sorry. Again, thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the post notifications so you could get notifications when I upload again. Have a good day, and thank you.